Yes, now friends, one more time he is given missing numbers. Missing numbers we have to write. Here in the round circle some numbers are given, some missing numbers are there. That missing numbers we have to find and we have to fill that missing numbers. So where it starts from? Here it starts from 22. 22, after 22, what number will come? 23, 24, then 25, thereafter 26, 27 is there, then after 28, then 29, then 30 is there, then 31, 32, 33, here 34 will come, 34 at the end, 35, here 35 will come, 35. In this way we have to write our missing numbers. Now skip counting. How to skip counting? Here 2 to skip counting. Skip by 2. Skip by 2 numbers. 2 numbers. 30, 32 is given, 32, 33 is skipping, 34, and 35 is skipping, 36, 37 is skipping, 38, 39 is skipping, 40, 41 is skipping, then 42, 43 is skipping, 44, 45 is skipping, 46. So in this way we have to skip one number and we have to write the next number. 32, 33 is skipping, 34, 35 is skipping, 36, 37 is skipping, 38, 39 is skipping, 40, 41 is skipping, 42, 43 is skipping, 44, 45 is skipping, 46. So like this we have to skip and we have to write. Next, 13, 14 is skipping, 15, 16 is skipping, 17, 18 is skipping, 19, 20 is skipping, 21, 22 is skipping, 23 is given, 24 is skipping, 25, 26 is skipping, 27. Like this we have to skip one number and we have to write. Okay, then skip counting is over and missing numbers. In the next, before, after and between numbers. Before numbers, in first bit we have to write before number, and in second bit we have to write after number, and in third bit we have to write between number. Okay. Now, before, here before number, 30 before, which number will come? Before 30 is 29, 2, 9, 29, 29, 30. 3 before, which number will come? 2, then 3. Then 38 before is 37, and 38. Then 11 before is 10, 11. In this way before numbers we have to write. Then after, here what comes after? Here after he is asking after number. After 28, after 28 is 29. 29 after is 30, 30. Then 19 after is 20, 20. 49 after is 50, 50. Then after, what comes between numbers means middle number we have to write. 38, 39, then 40. 38, 40, between number is 39. Then 22, 24, between is 23. 38, 39, 40, 22, 23, 24. So these numbers are before numbers, these numbers are after numbers, and these numbers are between numbers. These are missing numbers and skip counting. To do skip counting, so after skipping 32, 33, then after 34. 35 skip counting, 36. 37 skip counting, 38. And 39 skip counting, 40. 41 skip counting, 42. 43 skip counting, 44. 45 skip counting, 46. In this way we have to skip count and we have to write the skip counting and we have to write our numbers. So these also 13 to 27 also we have to skip count and we have to write. This is the way, this is the method to do our workbook sums. Okay students? Yes, now students, we are comparing numbers. So comparing numbers in this, so what will come? So match and greater than, less than, equal to, and after that ascending order, and after that descending order. All this comes into comparing numbers. Comparing numbers. Here some circles are given, some books are given, some apples are given, and balloons are given. In this we have to match with the equal number with equal objects. Equal objects. Here how many circles are there? First you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where is 10? This you match with this one. 10. Circle with 10. Why? Because 10 circles were there. So you have to match with 10. Okay. Now number of books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 books were there. Match with 12 books. 12 books. This 12 with 12 books. Now apples. How many apples were there? Here first balloons. How many balloons were there? So here you draw one more apple here. Why? Because there 7 is given. Then 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 apples with this number 7. Okay. Now number of balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 with balloons. 4 with balloons. Like this we have to match. We have to match our equal objects with equal numbers. Equal. So the respective number. The respective number. Now here put greater than, less than, equal to signs. Equal to signs. This we have to keep. So in the given boxes. In the given boxes or circles whatever. Okay. Now 26 box, 26 means circle, box, whatever. 26 both are equal numbers, so we make equal to sign in between. Equal to 26 equal to 26. 14 and 19. In 14 and 19, 19 is a bigger number, 14 is a smaller number. Smaller number, here smaller number means we have to take less than. 14 is less than 19. 14 is less than 19. This less than. This is the symbol for less than. This is, remember, this is our less than symbol. 14 is less than 19. 43 and 39. In 43 and 39, 43 is greater than. 43 is greater than 39. 43 is greater than 39. So like this we have to compare. We have to compare. So the given numbers, if equal to are there equal to, if greater than is there greater than, if less than is there less than, if greater than is there greater than. So we have to apply that signs. Then here, so number of objects we have to count. So we have to match with the number. How many objects are there? So then match with that number. Here, how many books were there? So match with that number. And how many balloons are there? You match with the number. And how many apples are there? Match the apples with that number. Okay? Yes, now students, here count items in each of the boxes and write the number in each pair. Put less than or greater than. So applicable. So wherever applicable. Here, first, whatever the items are given, that items we have to count first. Count first. In this first group, pencils are given. In second group, butterflies are given. First, we have to count pencils. How many pencils are there? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 pencils. 12 pencils were there. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 pencils. Then number of butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 butterflies here. 12 pencils and 7 butterflies. In between 12 and 7, So which one is greater? 12 is greater. It means in between, so we have to keep greater than symbol. Greater than symbol. 12 is greater than 7. In this way we have to do. What we have to do? We have to count number of objects. Number of objects given in first box, then next in last box, and between we have to keep the symbol. If greater than is there, greater than. If less than will come, then less than we have to keep. One more question is there. That question is your home assignment. Next, third question. Circle the number that one less than the number of objects. One less than the number of objects. First, what we have to do? First, we have to count number of objects. After counting number of objects, we have to make one less. After making one less, what number will come? So that number we have to circle. First, what we have to do? First, we have to count the objects. How many objects? How many lamps were given? Here we have to count first. Then after counting, we have to make one less than that object. Then first count number of lamps given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 lamps were there here. 1 less than 9. In the 9, if we make one less means 1 remove. 1 less. Then how many will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is our answer. That 8 we have to make circle. So first what? Here 9 lamps were there. So it is not mean that we have to make a circle for 9. Here what he is asking? 1 less than the number. 1 less than the number. First we have to count number of objects, number of articles, number of pictures. So whatever. Here lamps were given. How many lamps were given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 lamps. Don't be confused. Don't make a circle for this 9. You make one less. One less means one decrease. After one decreasing, then you will get 8 answer. You make 8 circle. 8 circle. This is the method. First we have to understand the problem here, and after that we have to apply whatever he is asking. Okay. Now, fourth question. Circle the picture that is 1 less than the number. 1 less than the number. Here some triangles I took here, but in the textbook other cucumber and all other pictures were given. It doesn't mean that whatever is there that we have to follow. If circle is there, circle. If triangle is there, triangle. If teddy bear is there, teddy bear. If apple is there, apple. If lamp is given, lamp. So that we have to count. Whatever is the object, we have to focus on the object. We have to focus on the object. What number here? 10. 10 is a number. Here number is given. So we have to take 1 less than the number. 1 less than the number means 9. 10 less 1 means that is 9. So now we have to count wherever 9 triangles were there, so that we have to circle. So not 10 circles, not 10 triangles. 9 triangles, wherever you have 9 triangles, that triangles you have to circle. Why? Because we have to take 1 less than 1 less than. Here the number is given 10. 10 less means 10 less 1 means total 10. In that if we make 1 less means total 9. So wherever you have 9 triangles, that you make circle. Count it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 triangles. Total 10 triangles were there. No need to circle. Then next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we have 9. 9 triangles means we have to circle this second group. Second group. Here we have 8 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here 2 less, but we need only 1 less. 10 minus 1, then we get 9. So 9 triangles, wherever we have 9 triangles, that we make circles. In this way, so whatever he is asking, so just we have to understand the problem. According to that, we move and we have to do the circles. So here 9 objects were there. Before whatever objects were there, that we make a circle. So don't be confused. So in the previous question he asked like that. In this question he asked, So whatever objects are there, in that objects we have to make one. So wherever one less number will come, that we have to make a circle. So this is the method. Okay. Yes, now students, here descending order, ascending order questions based on ascending order, descending order. First two questions are based on which one? Here descending order. Descending order. Descending means decreasing order. Decreasing means from bigger to smaller we have to write. From bigger to smaller. Descending order means decreasing order. Decreasing order means from bigger to smaller we have to write bigger to smaller. First we have to take bigger number, then little bit smaller, then little bit smaller and smallest one. So in this order we have to write. Now here some numerals are given 7, 11, 16 and 12. So we have to write these numbers into descending order. Descending means decreasing order. Decreasing means first we have to take a bigger number. So what is the bigger number in this? 16 is the bigger. 16 is the bigger. So we have to write 16 first here. 16. Then after that little bit smaller than this is 12. After 16, 12 in this 4. 12 will come. Then after 12, 11 will come. Then after 11, 7 will come. Then 16, 12, 11, 7. So these are in descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. Decreasing order means from smaller, bigger to smaller. Bigger, smaller, smaller, smallest. In this order we have to arrange. In this order, so we have to arrange. Now, here descending order. So again the same question. Here some numerals are given 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to arrange these 4 numerals into descending order. Descending means first we have to select a greater, bigger number. 7, 1, 17, 11. 17 is the bigger, we have to take the top 17. At the top 17, then smaller than this 11. Smaller than this 7. Then smaller than this is 1. 1 is the smallest one. 1 is the smallest one. In this way we have to arrange from bigger to smaller. Bigger to smaller numbers. Now reorder the numbers from bigger to smallest. On balloons some numbers are given 15, 9, 7, 4, 12. Biggest to smallest. Biggest to smallest are descending order, are arranged in biggest to smallest or descending order or decreasing order, biggest to smallest, whatever it is. The question is same. The question is same. Descending order means decreasing order. Decreasing order means from bigger to smaller. So whatever it is, that is your list. What the question is given first, bigger to smaller, and second one descending order, also same, and descending order, decreasing order, and bigger to smaller. The three ways are the same only. Same only, descending order only. Descending order only. Now 15, 9, 7, 4, 12. So we have to arrange biggest to smallest, means descending order. 15, 9, 7, 4, 12. 15 is the biggest one. 15 is the biggest one. Then after that 12 is smaller than this. And 9 is smaller than 12. And 7 is smaller than 9. And 4 is smaller than 7. So in this way descending order we have to arrange in this way. In this way descending order we have to arrange. Now this complete descending order is over. Now here smallest to biggest. Increasing order. Increasing order, ascending order, smallest to biggest. Anyhow, the meaning is same. Descending order is over. Now ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Increasing means from smaller to bigger. Smaller. Here 2, 3, 8, 10. In around this 2 is the smaller, 3 is little bit bigger, and 8 is little bit bigger than this, and 10 is little bit bigger than this. Already in the order only he gave. In the order only he gave. Don't confuse if it is in order. So no problem. So otherwise we have to take according to ascending order. According to ascending order. Now, in this way, at the top we have to take smallest one. What is the smallest one? 5. And after that, no, 2 is the smaller. 2 is the smallest. Then bigger than this is 5. Bigger than this is 12. And biggest one is 15. So in this way we have to take ascending order, increasing order. Here also some balloons are given, some members are given on the balloons. So smallest to biggest we have to arrange. So 13, 3, 14, 17, 11. First we have to take smallest one. Smallest is 3. 3 is the smallest, and bigger than this is 11. Bigger than this is, in the given values, 13. Bigger than 13 is 14. Bigger than 14 is 17. These values are in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Descending order means decreasing order. Descending order, decreasing order, from bigger to smaller, and we have same way. Ascending order, increasing order, from smaller to bigger. The method, whatever the meaning is, same only. Okay.